Hi, this is Toby from Aura Data Solution. Logos 5 RC1 is taking us a long time to get to this point, but we feel like we've reached a stable release, and RC1 is introducing a few new features, including this one. It's a little welcome screen. It gives you information about what Logos is. It also gives you information about what's been installed, as well as information about what's happening on the Logos site, some news, and other information. And we hope this is going to be useful for people starting out with the Logos. You can also find information about documentation, which is appearing on our site, as well as some information about what people are talking about on our support website. But that's not the only change you're going to find in this release. RC1 also introduces some changes to the wizards, and specifically the connection wizard has a new feature. Sometimes you want to make a change to the configurations of the data, but you don't want to update the entire system. Well, now in this release, you can do that. We've added a checkbox that you have to click. If you don't want to update the system, don't select the checkbox. It's not selected by default. Go ahead and make some changes. Let's go change this telephone number, and now let's go and save the changes. We want to save our configuration, but we didn't update our actions yet. So now let's go ahead and select that checkbox. We'll select the checkbox and make another change. Let's change the second telephone number now. Make that the secondary telephone, take off the 2. Now we actually want to update the system. Press the Save button. We'll get a dialog box confirming what we want to update the system. Yes, that's fine. And now we can see our actions have been updated. This is a new feature in RC1. The application wizard has a similar feature, but it's a little bit different. So let me explain how that works. This is our dealership application. And if you've been following our screencast, we've been working with this application for quite some time now. Let's say if I want to change the color scheme used by this application. Well, now I can easily do that. Let's go save these changes, and our application will be saved. The actions won't be updated. We won't regenerate the application. If we want to regenerate, we click the select box. We can make some other changes if we want to, not quite yet. Let's say I want to go back and choose a different theme. Let's go ahead and do that. And now let's save the application. Yes, we want to make these changes, and our actions will be updated. The final big change that you'll see in RC1 is that there's a new way to auto-generate an application. We've moved the wizard and we've added a dialog box so you can choose the specific actions that you want to be made. And if you have some actions already, well, the actions that we generate are simply added to our list. Let's go ahead and reload this page. And now at the bottom, you'll see we actually have a few new actions. We have 2 details and 2 search actions. But those 2 new actions are empty, so we have to go ahead and save these changes one more time. No problem, we'll update everything. Now those actions have been updated as well. And these are the new features that you can find in RC1 of Logos 5.